Good afternoon. Namaste. My spirit honors yours. The Polo Grounds are having an event today. So I came to the Glenview Country Club and Golf Course to hang out with the ducks, who are having a great time, flapping around and swimming and doing ducky things. It's a great place to walk, very relaxed. Occasionally a golf cart goes by and I have to get off the trail, but other than that, it's very lovely. It's a beautiful day today and I did some gardening, and now I'm out for my walk. Have a lovely evening. Namaste.